Okay, today we are installing a light switch box. This is a little different than the plastic boxes that you see. It's still preset for the drywall, for a 1/2-inch drywall. I'm going to set it on this stud here. You're going to measure from the ground up 48 inches. Okay, 48. And then there's these little tabs that wrap around the 2x4. So it's already preset for the 1/2-inch drywall. And then you're going to want to put the box on top, the top of the box at 48 inches. Okay. And then there's these little tabs that you just pound in for these metal boxes. And then there's some holes that you screw it in. And this is 48 inches. And then we come down and then we'll set another box, the same kind of box. It's already preset for 1/2-inch drywall. And you also wrap it. It wraps around like that. And we'll set them from the ground up 14 inches. So you measure 14 inches, mark it. And the top of that goes to the top of that 14 inches. So, like that. And then there's the holes for the screws to secure it. $14 inches for an outlet, 48 for a switch, light switch. Thanks.